Welcome to Machakos Institute of Technology. I'm Madam Francisca, the HOD, ICT Department, and in our School of ICT and Computing, we have the computer labs. This is Computer Lab 1. This is where we take the short courses, the Introduction to ICT, Internet and Email, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and Publisher. This is the lab where we normally teach the learners in this computer lab. Let us have a tour to Lab 2. This is our Lab 2 for the departmental units in the School of ICT. So this is our computer lab for the departmental units, where the students learn on how to do the coding, and all the practical sessions in the department are done in this lab.